India, major rivers and mountain ranges. India is a country with various landforms and water bodies. It has mountain ranges, rivers, lakes all across the country and is surrounded by seas and oceans on three sides. In this kit, we will be learning about major rivers and mountain ranges that are present in our country through a fun, engaging and hands-on way. In Activity 1, students learn about the major rivers in India. Here they will construct the map and create the river systems. Through this, they will learn which all rivers originate from the Himalayas, longer rivers which are clearly visible with the length of the pipe given, and which ocean the river flows into. Activity 2 is about the major mountain ranges, where students have to make different mountain ranges using clay like the Himalayas, Aravallis, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. In all, this is a 65-minute hands-on activity kit packed with triggering questions and self-assessments. So, any idea on what the difference between a hill and a mountain is?